Effective management of the shop floor requires good data, and lots of it. If we do not know what is happening all the time, we can lose track of our schedule and end up with unhappy customers.
This is achieved by having good mechanisms for collecting data on the shop floor, and it starts with the shop floor packet. The shop floor packet is a set of documents which accompany a works order as it moves through the production facility. It consists of information about the finished item to be produced and how many are to be produced on the works order. Also included in the shop packet are any engineering drawings, the bill of materials, the operations routing, and the tools required to complete the job.
Yes, and it also includes data collection mechanisms, which are used for recording materials issued to the job, the time taken for each operation, and a move ticket which accompanies the job as it works through the factory.
There is also a dispatch list issued daily by MRP. There are valuable reports to provide a detail for work scheduled for each work center, what and when they should be completed.
Using technology systems to collect data on the shop floor is a necessity. These systems are known as shop floor control systems. Shop floor control systems have three important functions. 1. Releasing orders to the factory. 2. Scheduling the orders in the factory. And 3. Monitoring the progress of orders in the factory. When an order is released to production, the shop floor packet is produced, which includes any drawings, bills of material, tooling requirements, and routing information. Orders will be released based on the output from the master production schedule and according to the expected due dates.
The order scheduling function is all about assigning priority to works orders or jobs. A job may need to be moved out or moved in depending on the current demand for the finished part.
Remember that throughout the planning process, make-to-order goods are planned according to a forecast, but as the planning horizon moves closer, the forecast may be adjusted according to actual demand. This is a primary reason why priorities may shift on the shop floor. It is all about matching supply with demand.
Monitoring the progress of works orders on the factory floor provides valuable information to the business. There are three important reasons for monitoring the progress of the order, and these are to maintain information on WIP for MRP, to monitor shop floor status information, and to provide the output date for capacity control.
Shop floor control systems provide reports in the form of status reports, progress reports, and exception reports. A status report tells the production team which jobs are at which work center, how much time has been spent on each job, how much time is still needed, and whether the job is on time or behind schedule. Progress reports look at a longer period of time. They are usually weekly or monthly and provide information regarding how many orders were completed in the time period and how many scheduled orders were not completed. Exception reports review the data and only provide information on anything that is late and that needs attention.
Of course, shop floor control systems are only as good as the information that is inputted. Data can be collected and inputted manually or through automated means. Manual data collection will always be prone to inaccuracy. This method relies completely on human intervention to record events as they occur in the factory. Because PAC relies on accurate real-time data, the very nature of manually inputting data is that it is always delayed. Automated data collection is a much better way of collecting data.
This can be fully automated. In other words, the production facility is linked to a computerized system, or partially automated. There is human activity which makes use of scanners or computer terminals to record information.
All of this recorded information is used to manage the performance of PAC. Performance measurements will include job flow time, job lateness, make span, and the average number of jobs.
The primary reason for measuring performance in any production facility is to find ways to improve. It's all about balancing cost while ensuring that products are available when they are needed to meet demand.
More information regarding how performance measurements align to activities in the factory are available in your practitioner's guide.
Everything that happens on the shop floor must be measured and controlled so that improvements can be made, and that the production facility runs efficiently and at the lowest cost.